Ready? Which one do you want to do? Show Mommy.
Wow.
Which one? Do you want to do the tree? So we need 4 dots. Ready? 1,
Mare needs
2,
new glue.
3, 4. You're going to spell the word tree. You're going to show me you know your letters. Ready? T.
Where's it go?
In the front. Good. First. R. Good. What's next? What do we have? What letter? E. Good girl. And then what do we need? Another E.
Too easy.
Right?
Too easy.
Say another dot of, what's this? Felice? Glue. Another dot of glue. We need another dot of glue. Alright, put it on. Good. T-R-E-E spells tree.
Nice.
Last one. This one you're going to sound out and tell me the sound. So we need 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. What did I draw?
What is that?
Say it nicely with a better dog. Okay, ready? I hear D. Where's D? Now G says, right, I need D. Good. The D says D. Ah. Good. Da. Not yet. What's that one? Dog! You spelled dog! High five! You doing a little bit of spelling? And sounding out words. What did you do? Sun. House. You spelled house when I told you to get the letters. What's that? Tree and? Ah, good job!